If you use Microsoft Edge and you're seeing casual game cards on the homepage, I'm going to show you exactly how to turn them off in just a few clicks. This is a really quick way to clean up your Edge homepage and make it feel a lot less distracting, especially if you want a simpler browsing experience. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Edge and go to the homepage. On the homepage, look for the page settings icon, which looks like a gear icon. This is where Edge keeps the options for customizing what you see on the start page. Click that gear icon to open the page settings menu. Once the settings panel opens, look for the section called content settings. Inside that area, you should see an option to manage the page content. Click on manage under content settings so you can control which cards and content appear on your homepage. After that, find the setting labeled Show Casual Games Card. This is the option that displays casual game suggestions right on the Edge homepage. To turn it off, simply toggle Show Casual Games Card off. As soon as you disable it, the casual game card should disappear from your homepage layout. If you don't see the change instantly, just refresh the page or open a new tab to confirm the update. And that's it. You've successfully turned off casual game cards in Microsoft Edge. It only takes a moment, but it can make your browser feel much cleaner and more focused. If this helped, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more Microsoft Edge tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.